ever experienced having a writer's block where you just have no idea what kind of caption to use on Instagram? If you're trying to be consistent, you're trying to post regularly, and you're trying to match a caption to your purpose, to your brand, then it becomes even more stressful. So this episode is about creating those killer captions on Instagram that will catch your followers instantly. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help girls and women feel empowered and feel good about themselves, especially because social media can be very negative. I'm sure that we all have the habit of just scrolling and then liking, hitting the heart button, scroll, like, and we sometimes really don't look at the caption. We just look at the photo. Now that's good that they're liking it, right? But you see, you also want engagement. You want them to stay longer on your Instagram feed because that's what the algorithm is looking for. So you want to make sure that you got that killer hook, killer caption right there, so that when they see the caption, they're going to go like, oh, I want to read it. I want to read it more, right? So today I'm going to teach you how to make value-based captions. Captions that carry some weight. Captions that have value so that your audience will relate with you. You know how Instagram will show like the first two lines and then read more? You want to make those first two lines powerful so that they will want to read more. So one tip is, do you have a story to say? Do you have an aha moment? Is there something that you just discovered? Or do you have a very important tip that you want to share? Or is there breaking news around that you have an important message about? So these are things that will catch attention fast, but you want to put them on your first line. Hashtags are good, but not as captions, okay? Definitely use hashtags, but your caption should already nail that part, as they say. For example, if you're talking about shoes or if you're talking about exercise, and like me, I'm older, I'm probably gonna post this way and I'm gonna go like, oh, I've been running for 2 miles and I'm ready to go Zumba. And people are gonna go like, wow, that's some energy right there, right? Or you have beautiful shoes and you're just going to go like, I can walk miles and miles in these shoes. And people are going to go like, ooh, what kind of shoes? Like in a song, that's going to be your title. But your hook is the value that's in your caption. Your caption has to be purpose-driven. Like, why are you on Instagram? If you're here to share your story, make sure that your captions are related to your story. If you're here to sell a product, make sure that your caption is going to entice them to take a look at your product line. If your purpose is to share your music, then make sure you talk a little bit about how music touches your life. So purpose-driven caption, they all have to actually point towards your brand. You see, it's like a homework, right? You're practicing, you're rehearsing, and don't you just feel so good when you know that you've nailed that caption, right? It makes you feel so authoritative. It makes you feel like, whoa, I'm so cool because I made a good caption. I feel that way sometimes. So like, sometimes, you know, those spur of the moment ideas just come, right? When you're really in the moment, when you just, see, it really matters that you focus on your brand and not on other people, because then you're finding ways to improve your profile. You don't want to do this because she's doing it. You want to just focus on your profile, improve your captions, find those hooks, and there's your self-esteem. It's going up. It's raising the roof. Be true to yourself. Be you. Be the person that you are. Because if you're trying to be someone else, eventually you're not going to enjoy your posts. Why? Because they are not you. So when you're talking about your story, when you're just out there and sharing your message, you become very spontaneous. Some people even talk about their sad stories, the experiences they learned, the lessons they learned. So you're unburdening yourself. You're unloading yourself of whatever weight you have on your shoulders. And again, we're talking about mental health. We're talking about you staying healthy and loving the process of doing your social media posts. Be up close and personal. You know, someone's reading your post and yeah, you don't know them, but you're talking to them. And that's how you connect, because you want that person to see who you are through your posts. Because this is all online. For all you know, the people who are watching your posts are from another continent, from the other side of the world. But because they relate to what you're saying, they connect with you. And you are delivering your message effectively. And when they reply, now isn't that just a boost to your ego, right? When they reply, you go like, oh my gosh, she read my post. She just didn't like it. She actually read my post. And sometimes they will even DM you, send you a message. And of course, follow you. And finally, and I've been very guilty of this for a long, long time. In fact, now I'm just learning. I still forget, but I'm just learning. Call to action. Even if you're sharing your story, what's your call to action? Come follow me and follow my journey, and let's share our journeys together. If you're trying to sell a product, make sure that you lead them to your website. If you're trying to sell a coaching course or an online course, make sure to invite them to attend your live seminar. So call to action is asking them to go beyond liking it, to go beyond replying or commenting on your post. You want them to actually join you. And the thing is, because you're out there to share something, you are just so enthusiastic for them to also go through the joys of what you're experiencing, because then you're building a network. So depending on what your goal is on social media, do not forget at the end, call to action is very important. That's where you ask them to follow you on Instagram, watch your YouTube videos, sign up for your newsletter, watch out for your upcoming seminar and things like that, or send you an email, or anything that will get them to stay with you for the rest of your social media life. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and comment and share. I really hope that through my videos, you are more empowered to be on social media and you feel better and tougher, right? And you feel that you are here for the long haul, because we're here to enjoy social media. If anything starts to hurt us, it's okay. Breathe, take a break. We're not here to get hurt. We're here to be entertained, to be informed, to educate, and to share our story. So it's a two-way street. So don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also sign up for my newsletter, jackied.com. I have freebies there, and I have blogs which talk about in a more thorough manner the topics that I discuss in my videos. So I'll see you next week. In the meantime, stay happy, stay positive, enjoy social media. Don't let the negativity affect you. You're better than that. Bye for now.